How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem. So in order to solve this issue, make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process and solve the issue. The first method you can apply in order to solve this issue is by disabling the Play Protect. For that, you have to open Play Store on your device. Then tap on profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and on this box you have to select Play Protect. Once you get access to this page, you have to select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. On this general section, you will find the two options. Make sure to toggle off the both button. Now you have to scan your fingerprint to verify that's you. Once you have disabled the Play Protect from this Play Store, you have to apply the second method, that is clearing cache of WhatsApp. For that, you can hold and tap WhatsApp application and select App Info. Once you get access to this App Info page, scroll down and select Storage Use. Now select Clear Cache. Once you have cleared the cache of WhatsApp, then it will fix all the glitches of WhatsApp. Applying these two methods, if your issue has not been yet resolved, then the next thing what you can do is you need to reinstall your WhatsApp application from Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. So reinstalling app by uninstalling it again will help you fix different kinds of issues and bugs from the application and fix it. The last thing you can do in order to solve this issue is contacting the WhatsApp support. For that, you can open any browser of your preference. Then on the web address bar, type in WhatsApp Help Center. On this visual section, you have to select Contact WhatsApp. Now as you can see on the first option itself, we have got Contact Us link. So select it. Now on this page, you have to scroll down and enter your phone number, email address. You have to confirm your email address, select which platform you have been using, and you have to enter the issue that you have been facing to WhatsApp support team. So if you are not aware about how to describe your issue, then you can easily copy paste that I have written here, that is, hi team. I recently received a message stating that I need the official WhatsApp to use my account. However, I am using this official version. Can you please help me with this issue and guide me on how to resolve it? Thank you. Then you can tap on next step. Then you have to follow the on-screen prompts. After that, your feedback or the issue that you have described here will be submitted to WhatsApp, and WhatsApp will help you to fix that issue of you need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.